Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video we are showing you how we set up our February 2020 calendar using winter planner kits. So you can always use your kits for more than just the month they're created. So let's go ahead and get started. I will be using our winter planner kit for this. This is the kit that was released in December, so you can see that it has December, January, and February, but I'm going to use it for February since these girls have really cute, just beautiful red beautiful items, and I just love them, and so I want to go ahead and use them. And I've printed them out on really glossy sticker paper, so I've got quite a few printables to use. I don't think I will be using all of them, but at least I have them and I can use them if I want to. Now I am using a Studio planner, Studio 71 planner that I received from Dayspring a while ago, quite a few months ago, and I'll be using that. But you can use these in any layout that allows you to use a 1.5 inch box. Basically these are 1.5 inch boxes, so they work in your Happy Planner, they work in your Illustrated Faith Planner, they work in like a lot of planners. And you can just print them out and glue them where you want to glue them, cut them out, and just have a lot of fun with them. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to start just kind of planning out my month here. And the first thing I do is I kind of look at what elements I have. So I like to start with the borders just because it helps me kind of set the layout up. And you can use any of these borders that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part as I'm just laying out the borders, and then I'll come back in a moment. Okay, I finished putting out the borders. I really like how it looks. I think it looks really nice and clean. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start to add my boxes in a certain layout. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will be right back again. Okay, now I'm just going to take these little circles and I'm just going to highlight some of the events in the month. Just add a little more focus to them so that I don't forget them. We've got Valentine's Day on the 14th. We've got Washington's birthday on the 22nd. We have Lincoln's birthday, President's Day, Ash Wednesday. And then I have a friend who has an anniversary on the 24th, and I don't want to forget that. And that's about all that is going on in terms of big events. And I just wanted to show you that you can use your winter planners for Valentine's Day if you don't, if you want to, because I mean there are just so many beautiful elements that you can use. Just continue to reuse them. You don't have to use your kits during the month that they're created. You can use them anytime, and just have a lot of fun with them. It's really fun just to come in here and stick some cute little printables on my calendar and really just have it all ready to go for February. And now I can just come sit here and just write to my heart's content. And then throughout the month I usually will take the rest of some of these and just add a few here and there just to kind of give it a little bit of interest and color. And if I have anything that I'm tracking, so if I'm tracking my water intake, I can come in here and start putting the trackers down too. So maybe I have a specific tracker that I'm going to use. Maybe I'm going to track my water. I usually will put it on Sunday at the end of the week here. That's where I usually put it, down here in the corner, so that I can, as I go throughout the week, Monday through Sunday, I can come in here and check off my tracker. So I can just go ahead and add those to all of the weeks as well. And if ever you need to print out more, you can always print out more. That's the thing about, it's a wonderful thing about having digital downloads, is if you want more of something, you can just print it out. And you don't have to worry about going to the store and buying a whole nother set because you already have them. And so I'll just come in here and add a few elements here and there. There was something here that I was thinking I needed to do. I mean, I have appointments all the time on Fridays, so I already know that I'm going to have appointments there to write in. And I'll just come in with my little pencil here and just write out my appointments. And if I want more appointments, I'll go print out more. Or I'll use one of these little bookmarks here and make a little note for my appointment as well. There's actually more appointment stickers. There's plenty. There's appointment stickers everywhere here, so I guess we don't really need to. But I usually have appointments on Fridays. That's when I usually do most of my stuff. But yeah, I'll just come in here and just look through it and just set it all up and make sure that it looks real cute and ready to go for the day. And it doesn't, again, this is, even though this is a winter planner kit, doesn't mean you have to use it just for winter only. You can use it for any season. And yeah, they're poinsettias, but they're red and they look really pretty, especially for February, where we're doing a lot of hearts and things like that. So I'm just really having a fun time coming in here, just adding stickers, adding my trackers, getting everything all set up. So my planner is all ready to go, and I hope that this was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions, happy to answer them below. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.